They ain't want to see it. Let's go. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back to pick up, and of course I got my two co-stars with me. I got Miss Anila and Miss Shy right here, and today, there we go. She wanted to join in. So today we're boxing a pair of shoes coming straight from Nike. These are, of course, none other than the Air Max Moto 2K. Now, one of the things I love about this shoe, besides the colorway, is the vintage look. I love how they bringing it back, and of course, as you can tell, I'm a fan of Philly. And these shoes go pretty well with these. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so what does 135 get you? It's gonna get you a shoe that looks just like this. And what this shoe is, if you guys remember, this is the 2008 remake of the Air Max Moto 6. I'm sorry, Air Max Plus Moto 6, which became a lot more popular once they were included in the Bowerman Series, which was basically a nod to the co-founder of Nike, you know, just to honor it. But this right here is an updated version, the rebranding. It still gives off dad vibes, but I think that it's a lot better than what the previous version was. I said it because you have more mesh, you have more shine, which kind of is what it takes to formulate and make a young dad shoe. So I think if these would have dropped down maybe $10–20 or so, this could possibly be in the running for the next dad shoe. And they can give the Air Monarchs a run for their money. So we'll see how time goes. I mean, these shoes just came out in July. I'm just now hearing about them, and I like this colorway. All right, so further look into this shoe. This shoe is labeled as a white, which is the upper part of the mesh. And you're gonna have the metallic, which is this outlines throughout the shoe. And then you're gonna have what they call black, which is right around the check. And then you have the stadium green, which is the hint of the green that's right here and right here. And even at the bottom, this shoe has a lot of traction on it. Good amount of traction on it. Now the thing about this shoe that I think is keeping it from just going above and beyond, it's gonna be between the price point and the level of comfort. Yes, you do get an Air Max, you get a nice little window right here, air bubble, but it's not enough. I mean, for 135, it'll do, but when you compare it to a shoe like this, that's only retailing at $80, and if you can catch these on sale, as I did, I believe I paid about $50 for these. It's like, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer for me. I mean, I like this shoe visually way more than this one. And I weighed these up, they both weigh the exact same amount. The difference is you get a little air bubble. Now, it is slightly more comfortable, but it's not $50–60 more comfortable than this shoe, which I love. So with this shoe, you're gonna get the Nike branding right here. You get the cushion right here. You're also gonna get the Air Max branding right here. Just a reminder what you got with below it. And then on the back, you have the Air Max. I'm sorry, not the Air Max, you have the Nike logo. And then you're gonna have the Nike logo. Cushion right here as well. Nike check again. And then right in the tongue area, right where the mesh is, you're gonna get Nike Moto 2 and Air Max. Good amount of traction. You got Air Max right here, just another reminder. And then right here, the Nike check. So, will I buy these shoes again? If I can get it for under $100. But at retail, I'm still on the fence. I don't dislike it, but it just so happens to go well with the vintage jacket I got on. So, all right, so as far as I go to slip these on with no hands, you can definitely do that if you have it pre-laced the way that I do. These are, of course, a women's 12, will put you at roughly a men's 10.5. Good amount of space, good amount of comfort. Because these are runners, I do recommend going half a size up if you're gonna wear these casually. And as far as height boost, don't expect too much from these. You're gonna get roughly a little over an inch. Not quite 1.5 inches, but I'd say about 1 inch. And then as far as taking these off with no hands, you can definitely do that as well.